not astrology, because astrology is based on a lot of predictions. My area is like linguistics. I like linguistics because if you study humor or comedy, comedy is really predicated. The fundamental nature of comedy is predicated on linguistics, language. There are a lot of ambiguity, a lot of play on words, a lot of surrealism, a lot of absurdity. So humor is predicated on linguistics. So linguistics is one of my primary infatuations because it really helps you unravel a lot of different stuff.
You know what I like? What I like? Linguistics and eggs.
Linguistic? What is that? What the hell does that mean?
No, because it's a play on words. Linguiça.
Linguiça.
Sometimes you have linguiça and eggs and sausage and patties.
Yeah.
But I was just saying, linguistics sounds a lot like linguiça.
I love the way that sounds. Jimmy Falcon loved linguistics in eggs.
But my contention here is a premise is this: a previous statement or proposition in which another is inferred. A premise as a verb, because a premise is an ambiguous word. It is a noun and a verb. The verb is a subset, or the secondary meaning, the subset.